Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mustang S197 and how to remove the tail lights. So today I'm going to be removing these tail lights so I can smoke them out and give them that smoke black look, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can do that as well. The first thing you want to do is open your trunk, and then you're going to remove this plastic cover. It goes all the way around. It's a one piece and it's held on with a few plastic screws. And then once you take it out a little with your flathead screwdriver, you're just going to grab your plier and pull it right out. You're going to do the same thing around. There are 4 of them that you're going to be removing in total. Next, pull up this rubber. And then you're just going to pull this piece up. And it's going to come right out. And now we have access to the back of the taillights where we can remove the nuts that are holding on to the taillight. It's the same thing on the other side as well. We are going to be removing a total of 1, 2, and 3. And you are going to be removing these with an 11mm hex socket. Then you're going to push this button in and pull the wiring out. And now you can just pull your tail light out. And the easiest way is the 3 bolts that are sticking out where the nuts were locked onto, just push from there. And then as you guys are seeing, the tail light is almost out, but the wiring harness that we disconnected, you might have a rubber grommet. So all you're going to do is push this rubber grommet into the hole like that, and then you'll be able to take your tail light out. And now I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side as well. So I'm first going to clean up the tail lights before I start smoking them. So right here I'm just using some multi-purpose cleaner. Any automotive all-purpose cleaner works on this. Once you have them all cleaned up, just let them sit for 5-10 minutes, so that way there's not even a bit of moisture or chemical residue left on it. And now I'm ready to spray my plasti dip smoke on the tail lights. And now it's time to spray my first coat of plasti dip smoke. And when you're spraying your first coat, you just want to go very light. After each coat, let it sit for about 30 minutes to let it completely dry before you go on to your next coat. Time for our second coat, and you're going to shake the can again and spray it. And this time you're going to spray a bit more than last time. And now let it sit for another 30 minutes. Time for our third coat. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy taillight removal video, as well as a nice little upgrade for your S197 Ford Mustang. And if you guys want to see more videos on the S197, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out the playlist. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.